We all want to know about our Creator, Allah Almighty. Where is He? Why is He invisible to us? What has God created? And a lot more. And uncountable questions come in our minds. Friends, whatever your religious belief is, I'm sure there are some questions you are often confused with. Honestly speaking, these questions have very simple answers. And with this brief lesson, you will learn a lot about our Creator, Allah Almighty. Let's begin the video. Almighty Allah. Allah Almighty Subhanahu wa Ta'ala is the King and the Lord of the heaven and the earth, who rules over all of creation. Nobody deserves to be worshipped except Allah. Allah is free from evil, and He is the most merciful and merciful to His creatures. Life and death are within His power. He neither has wife or child, nor parents or any other family member. He is the one and only God. That is why we recite in Surah Al-Ikhlas, Kul huwallahu ahad. Say, the truth is that Allah is one. Why is Allah invisible to us? Allah is the light, but we cannot see Him. We cannot see Him with our outward eyes, but we can see and feel His glory and attributes around us, such as the coming of seasons, the growth of fruits, flowers, plants, grains, blowing wind, rain, the fall of snow on the mountains, the water flowing in the rivers and seas, and the treasures hidden in them. And if we look upon ourselves, our human bodies, we will find more blessings that Allah has bestowed upon us, such as our feelings, thoughts, organs, nerve, cells, and every role each part has to play for our body to function. Subhanallah, glory to Allah. How much power does Allah have? Allah has power over everything. He can hear the cries of every human on this earth, whether people call upon Him loud in their prayers or remember Him in their hearts. He hears our cries and our words. He is in charge of not only this world system, but also the system of the entire universe and everything in between. Additionally, He does not have any ministers or advisors, nor any representatives to help run the entire management. He does not require assistance. That is why we recite in Surah Al-Ikhlas, Allahu Samad. Allah is besought of all, needing none. When will we be able to see Allah? That is not conceivable. We will not be able to see Allah Almighty Subhanahu wa Ta'ala with our physical eyes in this lifetime. However, after we die and are resurrected and face the test of recompense and punishment in the hereafter, and we finally enter paradise, and when Allah Almighty will command us to, we will see Him, Insha'Allah, if Allah wills. What has Allah created? Allah has created human beings, animals that live on land and in water, birds that can fly, insects, plants, fruits, flowers, forests, grains, earth and sky, air, water, rivers, seas, mountains, sun, moon, stars, planets, heaven, hell, and countless universes about which we do not even know. Allah is the creator of everything. Due to this, we also refer to Allah as the creator, Al-Khaliq, the creator, the maker. Where is Allah exactly? The throne belongs to Allah. His throne is located in the skies above the seven heavens He created. He has absolute control over everything and He can do whatever He pleases. Inna Allah ala kulli shayin qadir. Indeed, Allah has power over all things. Who was Allah's creator? No one created Allah. The first thing we wonder is, who created Allah? We assume that Allah is created in the same way as humans, animals, birds, insects, etc. are usually born. It is less sensible and intelligent. He is not affected by this flaw. He isn't born. He does not have father, nor does he have any children. We read in Surah Al-Ikhlas, Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He neither begot anyone, nor was he begotten. Does Allah have a rival in the universe? No, not at all. It is only Allah. Nobody compares to Him. Allah has neither a companion nor a partner. No matter how lofty or wealthy someone may be, we cannot compare him to any god of this world, king, president, prime minister, or other human. He is the only one in charge of the universe's system. Because of this, we refer to Allah as the One. We recite in Surah Al-Ikhlas, وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ, and there hath never been so equal with him anyone. Please like, share and subscribe.